Hello guys, what's up? Me and my family were going to visit our grandfather's house named Lolo Tony because he is at home resting and we will take care of him. We will give him a better gift. We are at Batangas, Quezon, Tambo Village, and we are at Lolo Tony's house. Here we are at Lolo Tony's house. The number is 16 and he is here waiting. And we are waiting for him to visit us and bless him. Here we are at Lolo Tony's house. You see our windows and I vlog myself and he went inside and I went out and I've been checking their places. I hold the fence and I look at the plants, animals, kitchens, and trees. I kind of look outside. Goes, chickens, and even more. And now I'm back inside to see where to be. When I went inside, me and my family were taking care of them. The time is now 4:20 and then I looked outside, there's mommy's car. And also, when we went out, we're going back home. And also, I like Lolo Tony's house and we are at the garage. And also, me and my family went out and we are going home. And I saw inside with the chair. And also me and my family are going inside to go home. And now we're at mommy's car. And now we say goodbye to Lolo Tony's house.